Alright guys, so this is the second video in the overland basket build. As you guys saw in the first one, pretty straightforward. Haven't done anything to it since the last video. What I did purchase were some LED strips and some quick fist minis. These are designed to hold anything that is about 5/8 to 1 3/4 inches, like a wooden handle for a shovel or an axe or anything else you can dream up. So in order to mount them, I made these mounting plates out of probably some 1/8 inch plate, drilled some holes, and they fit pretty much right in between the racking. I have 4 of them made, so it'll be 2 per basket, one square off from the end. I'm going to get these tacked up, welded on. Alright, so simple as that. I got all 4 plates burnt in. Pretty simple, didn't take me very long. You know, it's unfortunate when you realize you made a mistake, that if I have something, if you look how far apart they are, I'm gonna have a really big axe to span between these 2 plates. So nothing like figuring that out right after you finish putting them in. I do have 2 more mounts, so I might put them in the center. However, the center is a bar, so no matter what, I would have to have it off center. So I might do 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom, or 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Haven't decided yet, so I'm going to think that through. I'm going to space out a couple of shovels and axes I have on hand and see if I can remedy my mistake on spacing. Alright, so pretty simple upgrade. Already got the little brackets painted. I got the quick fist mounted. I found some flanged 6mm bolts and some flanged 6mm nuts. Fit perfectly. They're 10.9 SAE. They're already black, which is perfect. I'm just going to run it the way it is, even though I did space them a little bit too far apart for now. Just going to send it, see how it goes. My shovel will fit, my axe will not. Alright, so for the second part of the upgrade is going to be some third brake lights or some marker lights that I'm going to tie in to my existing wiring harness for towing. Naturally, I dug through all my used wire, and all I have are the, I guess, male version of the plug, so I have to go buy the female version, which would, I guess, be on the trailer side, so that I can wire this. But this is what I got: some 12-inch waterproof red LED lights. I don't know if I can make them light up. Let me try real quick with this 9-volt. You guys can kind of see. There you go. So that's what they look like. I'm going to do basically 1 through the left turn signal, 1 through the right turn signal, so they should flash when my turn signals are on, and then tie them in to also light up when I brake, similar to how you would wire a trailer. So I got to go run and buy the proper plug and get these wired up. Alright, here's the final product of the LED light strips. So put my hazards on just for simplicity of showing you that they work. They are definitely bright. It does help. I think it'll add a little bit of extra awareness to stopping, especially if I have gear in this bottom basket and it's covering. So functions as a nice third brake light. Also, these are painted, mounted. I like the hardware that I used. Came out pretty good. They're super solid. They're not coming off. So I'm gonna get some more gear on this, give you guys a final view of what it can hold, what it can haul, and how it looks loaded. Thanks. Alright guys, here's the final setup for the off-road hitch rack, the high clearance. I have just kind of some stuff staged in here. Got my jerry can, my camp stove, my water, got my shovel. No, this is not the shovel I will be using. I'll have a spade point. This is just the one I had handy. Strapped in, I have my camping gear here in this Plano box, and then my other equipment in the waterproof duffel there. So like how this turned out, it gives me a lot more capacity, also gives me a lot more ground clearance, which I think is important. If you look off the back, and then here I have a rucksack or backpack Something I will probably use for either recovery gear, trash, different things. It's not waterproof. I'd obviously have to have a trash bag in it so it doesn't stink after I use it. But I think it'll be practical having it outside the vehicle instead of inside the vehicle. One thing you can obviously see is you'll have no visibility through the rear window and the rear view mirror with the case in place. But I suppose that wouldn't be much different if you had a trailer behind you or an RV of some kind, or in my case, an entire back seat full of camping gear from seat back to rooftop. So in that case, I think it's still a win. Now I can actually fit people, dogs, gear, other equipment. I don't want to get wet. So this is the final view, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.